Red ball goes rolling. Blue ball is moving. Wow! Way! Yellow ball goes high. Green ball keeps rolling. Which gate matches? Colors and balls are fun! Can you find the red ball? Great job! See you in the next adventure! Hi, friends! Come join my magical adventure! Don't forget to subscribe!